In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Figma Slides. By the end, you'll be comfortable sketching on your slides with both the pen and pencil tools, and you'll know where to adjust the look of your drawings so they fit your presentation style. Start by heading to Figma Home. From there, open the slides deck you want to work on. Once the file is open, click into the specific slide where you want to draw. This focuses your workspace on that slide so everything you create stays neatly on the right canvas. If it helps, zoom in a touch to give yourself more precision while you draw. Before drawing, switch into design mode using the control on the right side of the bottom toolbar. This mode is where you can actually edit and add content to slides as opposed to just presenting them. You'll notice that the tool options become active once you're in design mode, which is exactly what we need. Next, choose the pen tool from the bottom toolbar. The pen is ideal for precise, clean shapes and paths. Click to place points and build your line segment by segment. Because you're working with vectors, your lines are crisp and easy to adjust later. If you click and drag as you place a point, you create smooth curves, which is great for custom shapes or callouts. If you want a more natural, sketch-like feel, open the small arrow beside the pen tool and select the pencil. The pencil lets you draw freehand, just like a marker on a whiteboard, and it's perfect for quick annotations, underlines, or hand-drawn diagrams. It's responsive and fluid, which makes it fast for brainstorming and visual highlights. To make your drawing stand out, adjust the color from the right-hand toolbar. This is where you control the appearance of your stroke, so you can match your brand colors or simply pick something high contrast for visibility. You'll also find related styling controls nearby, so your lines can feel subtle or bold depending on the slide's needs. Now, draw directly on the slide. Use the pen for precision work, like arrows, connectors, or neatly shaped outlines, and switch to the pencil for freehand notes and sketches. You can mix both tools on the same slide to balance clarity with expression. That's it. You've learned how to draw in a Figma slide using both the pen and the pencil. With design mode active, the right tool selected, and your colors set, you can add expressive visuals and annotations that make your slides easier to understand and more engaging.